Hi guys, good evening all. Welcome to today's session. Good evening guys. Welcome. Am I audible? Welcome to today's session guys. This is your Manikant. Today also I am going to take your batch. I am handling this session. Let's wait for few more minutes. Lot of people are not came compared to yesterday. Today's strength is very low. Let's wait for some time. Yeah guys, no more waitings. Let them come and join. Let's start our today's sessions. Before starting today's session, get into a brief discussion about yesterday's topic, okay? Are you okay with it, guys? Let me discuss brief about yesterday's class, okay? Can you guys tell me what is an identifier? It's just a 5 minutes recap, guys. Don't worry, I will go to today's topic. It's just a 5 minutes session, recap session. Please tell me what is an identifier. Yeah, I am getting answers. Used for naming. Yeah, that's it, guys. An identifier is used for naming classes, methods, and variables in Java. Okay. Next, let me go to next slide. Rules of an identifier. What are the rules we have to write an identifier? Yeah, Java provides some basic rules to write an identifier. The name of the identifier should start with. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. My mouse is not working properly. Okay. The name of an identifier should start with alphabet, and it can start with special characters also, right? And we can have alphabets, some special characters, and numbers in identifier. Only two special characters are allowed in our Java identifiers. Those are underscore and dollar symbol. Only underscore and dollar symbols are allowed as special characters. And the maximum length of an identifier is 15 characters. If it exceeds, it will throw error, okay? And one more important rule is white spaces are not allowed while writing an identifier. Means no empty spaces are allowed while writing an identifier. In between, we can't write any empty space. And last point is we can't use keywords as an identifier, right? Let's go to new topic. What is a keyword? Keywords are pre-reserved words. Reserved words are predetermined words in Java to provide some functionalities. In Java, we have around 50 to 60 keywords. Keywords are predetermined words in Java used for some functionalities. Functional functionalities is nothing but specific task. For doing specific task, some words are reserved, and they are predetermined to do the task. If you use the task word only, the specific task it will give. Okay, without using that particular keyword, you can't achieve that task. Okay, guys. Any doubts in it? Any doubts, guys? No, right? Today we are going to learn today's our topic is methods. You guys know, right? What is a method? In basic program also we have a method called main method, right? Let me show you that method in my D drive, Java evening batch, day 4. See, guys, this is my demo program. Day 4 is an identifier because it is a class name, and this is a method, right? This is a method statement. Here I am opening this method with curly brace, and here I am ending the method statement with closed curly brace. This is called method. Here main is the method name, right? Except main method. Other than main method, can we write any methods? Today we are going to learn the topic only. I know you guys are very eagerly waiting to learn this topic. Today we are going to learn how to write a method and how to call a method. Okay, guys? Before going to this, let me show you one software other than Notepad. If you use that software, it will be very easy to write the program. Okay? Type Edit Plus in your Chrome or any browser and click on download. Here you will find the software latest version. Download Edit Plus 5.7. Guys, my download is finished. I will navigate to that folder. See, my download is done. After clicking on it, it will show like this. It will ask for copyrights. I accept it, and a command prompt window will be open. Click on yes, okay. After that, you will get this screen. Select installation directory. Wherever you want this, you can select that. I need to install it my D drive. So I am selecting it in my D drive, okay. Start copy. Congratulations, setup is completed successfully. And this is a free software, guys. Search for Edit Plus. See, you can find an app like this. Open it, click on yes. Here it is asking for programs directory. Already we have an folder, right, for writing programs. Please click on it. Please select that folder. Yeah. Select this folder. That's it. See guys, it is asking for registration code, right? After downloading, it will ask for registration code. For you guys, I am providing freely registration code and username, okay. Please take a screenshot of it. Username is O1 and copy this serial number, paste it, register. That's it guys. Here you will find about Edit Plus. This is licensed copy, okay. Let's, okay guys. See, see guys, in my directory it's showing my files, right. If you click on it, let me zoom it. Okay guys, use of this software is you can identify by seeing directly colors. What is keyword like this, okay? You can differentiate between keywords and normal words, okay? See here, class is a keyword, right? It is showing in different color. Public static void. These are keywords. So it is showing in different color. And string is a keyword, right? So it is giving one color. Like this, you can get different, you will get different colors for different types of objects, different type of names, okay guys? Let me explain today's topic. Okay, today's topic is methods. Can you guys tell me what is a method? Please guys. Can you guys tell me what is a method? Yeah. A method is a set of statements written for specific task. Yeah. Set of statements, block of code, block of statements. Why we use statements, guys? Why we use code? To achieve some task, we are providing instructions to the computer, right? Java. We are providing some instructions to Java. Perform this task like this. To achieve our required output, we are giving some task. To, to perform the task, we are giving the statements. In form of statements, we are giving the instructions to the JRE. Okay, guys? Are you understood what is a method? Let's go. Where methods are created. Let me explain clearly. I will take one new Java file. See, if you place your cursor here, it will show new. Click on new. Here, see, you are finding Java. See, guys, click on Java. It will show the predefined format. Is it visible, guys? If you click on new, click on Java, it will generate one file. Basic syntax. Okay, guys? And my class name is day 5. Okay, guys? Here, this is main method. It is required for execution, right? Without main method, we can't execute a program. We can't run a program. Okay, guys? Are you able to understand? Without main method, we can't run a program. See, I will save my file. Day 5. And my extension is already predefined Java because I am selecting Java file, right? So click on save. And to open command prompt, click on right click on this, select command prompt directly. It will open command prompt directly in the source directory. Is it visible, guys? How to compile a code? Java C file name dot Java. See, guys, is there any error in my program? See, there is no error in my program, right? That's why compilation is successful. It is not throwing any error for us. So compilation is successfully done. After compilation, we need to run the program, right? To run the program, command is Java class name. See, my output is printed like hello world. If you check my program, It is hello all right. Now we are discussing about methods. Am I right guys? Today our topic is methods, right? This is the method. We call this as a method. This is a method declaration because here we are declaring it, and whatever we write inside this flower brackets, this is called method related statements. Whatever the statements we have written inside these blocks will be related to this method. Okay guys, where methods are created. Let me explain you. Methods are created within a class. Okay guys, methods are created within a class. We can't create any method without a class. Okay, we can create methods within a class. If you see here, this is my class. Here it is opening, and in line number 7 it is closing, right? In between this only I am writing my method. Are you getting any idea guys? I think you guys may have doubt. Whatever it happen if I read this method outside the class. I think you guys may have doubt like this. See, here my class is opening. In line number 3, my class is opening. In line number 8, it is closing. But I am writing my method before a class starts. Here my class is actually starting. But I am writing my method before a class starts. Let me see what it will happen. Let me compile it. See guys, it is saying error. Hey you idiot. In line number 1, open class, open flower bracket. See, after class name, it is saying that open this. You idiot, you missed this. You are writing the main method before the class. Okay, guys. Let me put it back. Hmm. Come to next point, guys. When a Java class is executed, JRE calls only main method by default. Always execution starts from main method. I am repeating once again. When a Java class is executed, JRE calls only main method by default. Always execution starts from the main method. In simple words, what it means, whenever we execute a program, we are giving instructions to JRE, right? Hey JRE, do this task for me. Whenever we give instructions, it will go and call only main method. It won't call any other methods. Okay, guys? JRE know only main method. He don't know anything except main method. Whatever main method will tell, that things only JRE will do. Okay, guys? Are you understanding? And you may have doubt like this. Whatever I have wrote my own method, when it will get executed, right? If I write my own method with some syntax, when it will be called, when it will get executed, right? you have the doubt, see this point, come to this point. Other methods are executed only when they are called. When the methods are called, at that time only the methods will get executed. Okay, guys? Let me go on to the next slide. By completing this topic, trust me, you will become very good in methods. Okay, guys? Let me show you how to write a method first. Before calling, how to write a method. This is my method, guys. I don't need any arguments. This is called as arguments. Whatever we write inside this, these are called arguments. I don't need any arguments. That's why I'm keeping it empty. After that, I'm printing a statement called hi developers. You guys are developers, right? I think so. You guys are response. You will become developers, right? Bhayankara developers. Am I correct, guys? In future, you are going to become a Bhayankara developer, right? You are all here to become a developer, right? One more use of using edit place is, guys. If you click on it, it is showing this. See, here I am closing. Here I am opening. Click on it. Here I am opening and closing. See, closing and opening. It will show the proper syntax. By this indication, we can avoid compile time errors. By this, we can avoid compile time errors. See, I have written my method, public static void developers, and I have written one statement also, hi developers. I will go and compile it. See guys, my compilation is done. Am I getting an error? See guys, I am not getting an error, right? My compilation is done. See, my code has one more method, additional method called developers, right? How to run it? See guys, whenever I am running this program, it's printing only hello world because in main method hello world is written. What about this method, guys? I have written one more method. In this method, I have some statements. My statement is print statement. What about this method? I am not getting this method, right? Output. What about this? To execute that method also, we have one process. As I said here, when a Java class is executed, JRE calls only main method by default. Always execution starts from main method only. Is it satisfying, guys? Is my point satisfying? I have two methods in my class, but whenever I am executing my program, I am getting only statements of main method. That means only main method is executing. The other methods I have written is not executing, right? Now, our next step is how to call that method, how to make that method executable. Are you getting guys? How to call a method? See properly. Here one syntax is there. Class name dot method name. If you have any arguments for that method, please provide it. Otherwise, don't need. Keep it empty. Syntax for calling a method is class name dot method name. Let me write it here. Before going to take that, to execute a program, main method is mandatory, right? To execute a program, main method is mandatory, guys. Let me complete this slide. After that, I will go practically, okay? To execute a program, main method is mandatory. But without main method, we can write a program. Without main method also, we can write a program. Okay, guys. Let me explain clearly in this slide only. Yeah, I am reviewing my main method. See, if you guys see means there is no main method in my class, right? Is there any main method in my class, guys? Please respond. No, right? Let me compile it. Let's check what it tells. See, guys, I have compiled my program. See, Java C day5.java. Is compiler showing any error for me? There is no error, right? Here you can get doubt. Sir, you said we can't execute a program without main method, right? Here, if you guys clearly observe means I am not executing this program. I am just compiling that program. You guys all know what is the process of execution. Source code to compiler. Compiler will give you bytecode, right guys? After generating bytecode, we need to execute the program. How to execute the program? Bytecode to JRE. It will give you the output. See guys, without main method, I can get up to this. I can generate bytecode. Okay guys? See, after compilation, if I run that program means it will show error. Sorry guys, because it has already a file, right? Let me save it and compile it once again. Java C day5.java. After compilation, run that program. See guys, if you see here, it's showing an error. Main method not found in class 5. Please define a main method as public static void main. See guys, it is giving detailed information. What is the error we have, right? Are you guys getting guys? Are you guys getting this? If you have any error means compiler in compile time, the command prompt will tell you detailed information. There is no main method in class. Please define it. And it is telling how to define it also. The basic syntax it is telling. See here. Let me go to next topic. And in a class, we can write multiple methods. I know guys, you have one doubt. Sir, what is the use of compilation if we can't execute? Right? Sir, what is the use of compilation? Because we are not able to run that program, right? You guys all know this doubt. May have this doubt, right? You may have this doubt, right? So what is the use of compilation? Because we can't run it, right? Let me tell you what is the use of it. Let me take one more Java file. Please observe my step, guys. I will explain clearly. One more Java file with, with day 5. This is my one more class. Inside this, I am having main method. Inside this, I will call the method which I have written in this class. Okay, guys. I will call this method here. Okay. How to call a method? Class name. My class name is day5 dot method name. Method name is developers. Let me check my syntax. We need to give properly. Here D is capital letter. So I need to provide capital letter D. This is a syntax for method calling, guys. Class name dot method name. Please understand, guys. After this, I will repeat once again. Don't worry if you didn't understand means. Don't worry. Please wait. I will explain one more time. Let me save it. After saving, I will run this. See, guys. This is the steps to execute a code, right? First, we need to compile the code. Okay, I will tell you clearly, not an issue. Just follow my steps. I will come back to the previous topic. Okay, guys. After compilation, I am executing my code. See, guys, I am getting output, right? Whatever the statements present in my method, it is showing output, right? Forget all about this, guys. Forget about this PPT, everything. Keep your mind blank. I will explain you clearly. Okay, guys? I'll write one program, Java program. Class name is Hi. This is my class name. Inside class name file, I am writing one main method. I will teach you very slowly, guys. Please observe. I am creating a class with Hi. In this class, I am writing main method. In main method, I am printing a statement called hello world. I am writing a statement called print statement. In that print statement, I am giving hello world, and I am providing one more method in the same class. As I said, we can write n number of methods in a class. We can write n number of methods in a class. Let me write a method. My method name is m1. I am opening my method. Inside this method, my statement is you guys know this statement, right? This statement is used to print. Inside this, I am writing m1 method. You guys all know about this predefined syntax, right, guys? We need to write public static void and method name. After that, we need to open one curly brace. After opening, we need to write the instructions. After completing the instructions, we need to close the curly brace. Are you able to understand, guys? I am creating a method called m1. In this m1 method, I am writing a statement as m1 method. Okay. So to execute this method, I need to call this method. Without calling, this method won't execute. It will just compile. It won't execute. So, and where we need to call inside the main method. Sir, why sir? Why only we need to write the method call inside main method only? Means the JRE developers, the Java developers define one rule. Always execution starts from main method. JRE will call only main method to execute the program. Only main method is called by the JRE. Please understood, guys? Our execution starts from main method. So we need to call our method in the main method itself. So when the main method is called by JRE, main method will call our method. What we have written. Our method is m1 method. To execute this method, we need to call it. How to call a method? Class name dot method name. Okay, guys. This is called method calling statement. Here, hi is the class name. Okay, guys. M1 is the method name. This is the syntax for method calling. You need to remember it, guys. This is the rule. If you change means it won't work. Okay, guys. Class name dot method name. Let me save my program. Hi dot Java. After saving, what's our further process, guys? We need to compile the code. Click on your folder. Right click on your folder. Click command prompt. In command prompt, just compile the program you have written. See, guys, my compilation is successful. It's not showing any errors, right? So my code is not having any errors. Let me explain you one more time. I am creating a class called hi. Inside this class, I am writing a main method because without main method, we can't execute a program. So I am writing a main method. In main method, I am giving this statement print hello world. And after that, I need some more task. I need to do some other task. Except main method, I need some other task. I need to perform addition task or any other task you want to do. You need to create a main method. You need to create another method, right? So for that, I am creating one method called m1. In m1, I am giving statement as print the statement m1 method. Like this, I am giving my statement. Okay, guys, are you able to understand? Whenever JRE is invoked, that means whenever our execution starts, JRE calls main method defaultly and it will end by a main method only. It won't come to our method. Whenever we execute a program, it will come to main method, execute the statements in the main method, and the program will end. It never comes to whatever we have written the methods. To execute our methods, we need to call our methods in main method. Follow my words, guys. To execute our method, we need to call the method in the main method. So I am calling here. The first line of the main method, I am calling my method. How to call my method? Class name dot method name. After this, I am compiling my program. I will compile once again for you guys. Java C file name dot Java. My compilation is successful. See, guys, my compilation is successful. After this, I am running my program. That means I am executing my program. Java class name. See, guys, m1 method hello world. This is my output. Are you getting, guys? If I remove this line means just see what will happen. If I remove this line, what will happen? Tell me, guys. If I remove my method call, what will happen? Compilation is successful. See, guys, it's only printing hello world because We are not calling this method. Are you clear guys now? Understood how to write a method, how to call a method, when the methods are executed, get executed. Clear guys? Programmatically it is done, right? How to write a method, how to call a method. If we didn't call that method, what it will show. It is clear, right guys? Let's move on to the theoretical part. Theory part is important for the interview purpose. Now you can write a method and you can call a method. You can perform multiple tasks. But to tell an interview, we need some points, right? Let's move on to it. Give me a minute, guys. I will provide you the attendance link. Give me a minute. Okay, guys. Once our theory part will complete, I will provide the link by the end of the session. It will take only 5 to 10 minutes. Please listen carefully, guys. Come from the starting. What is a method? Method is a set of statements written for specific tasks. To do some task, we are giving some instructions, and these instructions are written inside a method. That's it. The instructions written is called a method. Okay, guys. Method is a set of statements written for specific tasks. And where we can create our methods. Coming further, we can create our methods inside a class. Okay, guys. We can create our methods inside a class. Next step. When we execute a program, Java program, JRE always calls main method defaultly. Okay, guys. When we execute a program, JRE calls defaultly main method. Okay, guys. And how to call a method? If we have written any our methods, any our own methods, if we write our own methods, we need to call that method to get executed, right? How to call a method? This is the syntax for calling a method. Class name dot method name. Okay, guys. Class name dot method name is the syntax provided by the Java developers to call a method. Okay, guys. This is a syntax provided by the Java developers. We need to follow this syntax to call a method. And at firstly, I shown you to execute a program, main method is mandatory. Without main method, I can compile a program and I can write a program. Right, guys? I can write a program without main method and I can compile it, but I can't execute it, right? We can compile a program without main method, but execution is not done. Next step. We can call a method for n number of times. Okay, guys? Clearly observe. We can call a method for n number of times. How many times you want that method, you can call that method. Okay? How many times we want that statements to be executed, That many times you can call that. Okay, guys? Understood? Skip this point. You will come to know about this point in future topic called recursion. Okay, guys? Skip this point. We can call a method from any class written in earlier. Please follow this, guys. We can call a method from any class, that is program which is written in earlier. Let me show you practically for this. See, guys, this is my program, right? Hi. This is my program, right? In this program, I have n1 method, but I want this m1 method in another program. This is also possible in Java. We can use these methods in another class also. Okay, guys, let me show you how to use. I will use in day 4 class. Okay, in this class, I want that statement of m1. Okay, I want the statement of m1 in day 4 class. How to get it? Just call that method here. Whatever the method you want to call, just call that method inside this class. I want m1 method of high class. M1 method of high class in day 4 class. Let me call it class name dot method name. See, guys, this is the method calling statement, right? This is the method calling statement. Class name dot method name. Hi is my class name. Inside that class, I have m1 method. I need that method instructions to be performed in this class. I am using that implementation here. Okay, guys. Let me save this and compile this program because I made changes in this program, right? I need to compile it. Java C file name dot Java. Guys, my compilation is done. It is not showing any error because this is not an error. I am calling method of high class here. That's it. Okay, guys. My compilation is successful. Now I need to execute my program. How to execute it? Java class name, right? See here, m1 method is printed, right? The statement of m1 method is printed. See, guys, m1 method is present in which class? High class. M1 method belongs to high class, right? And I want this M1 method to be executed in another class. I don't want this method here. I just written my M1 method here. I will use in somewhere else. Wherever I want, I will use that. To use this, first compile this class. After compiling, go to your current class wherever you required the statement to be executed. There, call this method. it will get executed. You won't get understand by just seeing, guys. You need to practice it. By practicing only, you will get. So let me share your attendance link. Do practice, guys. Your attendance link is shared in the chat box, guys. Please fill the attendance. Whatever I have told, please go on practice, guys. By practicing only, you will know to get what is the method. If you want, you can take screenshots, guys. That's all for today's session. Please go on practice. If you practice only, you will get to understand this topic because from this onwards, our actual Java will begin. In further classes, we will write our implementation in a method and we will call that method in the main method. Okay, guys? Your attendance link is pinned in the chat box. Please check it. Please follow the statement. Just read the statements once and try to practice. If you practice only, you will get. Otherwise, you won't get, guys. I think you guys have laptops or even there are some apps to execute programs in mobile also. For Android, in Play Store, you can get some apps to write Java programs. You guys go and search for Java apps, Java executable apps, and install it. You can go like this also. But do practice. By practice only, you can get. Okay, guys? Without practicing, you can't get. Just by listening, just by seeing, you can't get anything. Just do practice and come again. If you have any doubts, we will discuss in further classes also, next classes also. If you want, please take screenshots, guys. Do practice these methods, guys. I will explain clearly once again tomorrow. Whoever the trainer comes tomorrow, he will explain one more time whatever discussed yesterday, okay? At the starting of the session, we will discuss previous class topic for 5 to 10 minutes, okay, guys? Please take screenshots and do practice. Let me share you that registration key, guys. I will share you that registration key. Wait a minute. This is the username and registration key for Eclipse Edit Plus, guys. That's all for today, guys. Please go and practice what is a method and how to write it. Come tomorrow. Okay, guys? Please go and practice how to write a method, how to call a method. Tomorrow, with more examples, we will learn. Okay? Bye bye, guys. This is your Manikan signing off. Bye bye.